We are live. Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, Tin. How are you?
Thank you so much, Mitch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm good. I'm doing great. I worked yesterday and I will be working afternoon shift today. So life is good. And as you can see here in Norway, it's already sunny. Thank God it's already springtime. The
Yes,
snow is
here
already
we got the
melting.
early springtime, Tin. We got the early springtime.
Yeah, but you have a very nice weather in Spain. You are so lucky.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
had a
I love the weather here.
terrible winter here. As in like too much snow, too much wind,
Hmm.
snowstorm. We
Yeah.
welcome the new year 2024 with a snowstorm. And
Wow.
then it
That's really great.
continues from that day.
So, hello everyone. We are here with our another episode of EU-based Unstoppable Digital Entrepreneur. Pinay and digital entrepreneur, just like we have a long title with this episode that we are doing, but we love to be here. So last week we cannot make it, so here we are again. So we are waiting for our business partner Percy. Hope she will come along after before our live end. So today we would love to share to everyone about the benefits of active listening in personal and professional life. I guess we need that, right? We need to be a good listener in order for us to interact any situation. So, by the way, we would love to introduce ourselves. A short introduction. My name is Michelle Hope, and I am currently living here in Spain for so many years and a business owner. Well, I'm not sure. I am 34 months now because we are in March. And imagine that I'm still here in this business because I saw how this business can change me and also my family, especially my family back home and my situation here in Spain. So, how about you then? Would you like to introduce a little introduction?
Yeah, my name is Christine. I'm a mom to my two beautiful girls. As you can see on the background here, that's our family
I love
picture.
it.
So that's our family, and we are here in Norway. We are living here in Norway for 11 years. I'm working as a healthcare professional in one of the biggest rehabilitation hospital here in Norway. So we're dealing with the spinal cord injury patients, and I am a digital business owner for 1 year and 1 month this coming March. And I'm still here. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy how I grow as a person, as a business owner. And yeah, it's not just all about businesses, it's all mostly personal growth. So I'm happy to see this business and to be with this community, and happy to meet Michelle. Of course, we
Mhm.
haven't met actually in person, but we are like best of friends. Like we used to talk mostly like 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week or more sometimes if we have to like deal with the businesses. And I'm happy to meet everyone here in the
Yeah.
community.
Likewise, then I am grateful that I met you also through this online business, and we are looking for 1 year now since
Yeah.
we know each other through this online business,
Mm.
right? So
Yeah.
today we would love to share about the benefits of good active listening in personal and professional life. So when we say listening, sometimes um the cause of misunderstanding is we don't understand each other, right? Sometimes there's a misunderstanding, especially if you're living in your partner or your husband. If you don't talk, if any one of you is not a good listener, sometimes it causes a misunderstanding. So I love to. Would you like to? Tagalog pala tayo. Would you like to share first then?
Yeah, nako, listening actually before, malaki ang problema ko diyan. I love to talk, and we as mga babae, kailangan tayo yung nasusunod. Most of the
Mm.
time, we wanted yung gusto natin, yung naisip natin, yun yung nangyayari, smooth sailing. Sometimes we don't listen to our partners, we don't listen to other people. But then eventually, I have learned because nag-work ako sa BPO before. Before I came here in Norway, I worked with JP Morgan Chase, the biggest bank in the US. So meron silang kami yung pioneers in the Philippines actually when they opened in the Philippines. So I was lucky enough to get a position there. So I worked there, and kapag BPO, of course, you listen. You listen to the customers, and you listen to what to their needs and everything in between. So that's how I learned how to listen, like not only active listening but also attentive listening. Because I've learned that kapag pinasok mo lang sa isang tenga mo yung narinig mo and nilabas mo ng hindi ka attentive, that's the beginning of misunderstanding. And hindi yun maganda, 'di ba? In every relationship, of course, there's always a misunderstanding. But if you can listen to each other, then you can avoid the misunderstanding. So that smooth sailing, not only in your personal life, but most importantly on your professional life. Kasi meron tayong mga bagay na gusto natin na nangyayari at naiisip natin na mangyayari agad-agad. But especially on your professional life, especially on our business, this is not a race. So you have to listen, you have to talk to yourself sometimes and listen to your guts. Not only listen to other people, but most especially listen to your guts. Kung tama ba yung pupuntahan mo, yung gagawin mo, kung masyado ka kasing nagmamadali, baka in a long run, mas lalo lang lumaki yung na-invest mo, not only financially, but also your time investment, your physical investment. Tapos in a long run, you will fail. So listen to your guts, listen to yourself, and listen to the other people who can see you. Kasi mas maganda yung nakikinig tayo sa ibang tao. Minsan, mas maganda yon, 'di ba? Kasi
Mm.
they can see us from afar. Kasi tayo nakikita natin yung mga gusto natin nakikita from the way we see it. But other people, they can see us from afar. So sometimes it's nice if they can criticize us. It's nice if they can see like negative things that we cannot see, and we have to listen to those things.
Yeah.
And of course, yung mga criticisms, yung mga negative stuff na naririnig natin, we should not put it in ourselves. Hanggang dun lang yon dapat. And
Hanggang
we
hindi
have to
ma-prove.
make, yes, wag mo siyang kimkimin masyado personally. Dapat alam mo yung boundaries mo, and alam mo yung sarili mo na hindi hindi ikaw yung ganong tao. So yung criticisms na yon, it's just for you to grow and to succeed in your business or in your life, but it hindi nangangahulugan na ayun ang pagkatao mo. It doesn't mean that that defines you as a person. So that's for me is about listening.
Yeah, you're right. Um, Talking about listening to your guts, sometimes kasi, uh, before tayo mag-start, minsan naghahanap tayo ng advice, naghahanap tayo ng kung ano ba yung mga answer, di ba? Before we seeing those things, kailangan pa natin mag-research kung ano ba ito. Kasi alam nyo, based to my experience, doon ako nagkamali one time. Not only one time, so we just have so many errors in life, but those errors we learn from it, right? And then it serves as a good example for our journey before tayo mag-start. So, ang dami kong kasi ako minsan, bingi ako eh, bingi. Sometimes bingi ako, pero nag-go lang ako kahit sa bahay, hindi ako nag-listen, nag-go lang ako with my own decision. Tapos sabi ko, ay mali pala ako. So, sometimes it's really good to have a good listener before tayo mag-decide. Mayroon kasi sa Tagalog, ano bang tawag nun? Ritubada. Sa Ilonggo yun. I don't know how do you call that in Tagalog na minsan. They give you advice, your parents, your friend, oh, don't go there or don't do that. But for yourself, for me, like me, when I went over here in Spain, maraming nagsasabi, ay, huwag kang pumunta doon, wala kang kakilala, wala kang ano-ano. Pero deep inside me, parang I have a strong faith na walang mangyayari sa akin. Right?
Yeah.
I got that in myself na I guess I need to go. Kasi wala akong pakiramdam na takot, di ba? Hindi ako na nakiramdam ng takot kasi we are humans and we always feel that within ourselves. Kung may masamang mangyayari sa iyo, you just always listen to your self na minsan mag-decide ka, nagdududa ka, di ba? So, make a pause pag nagdududa ka, then listen. Ano ba talaga? Sometimes we prayed a lot at ask God, give me a sign. Mahilig sa mga sign-sign yung mga Pilipino, alam ko niyan. So, um, so when you have that, you have to listen to your what your heart says. Di ba lagi naman sinasabi sa atin, you must listen to what your heart says before you decide. And when you're a good listener, there's a good thing that will be happen in your life also, right? Especially for those people who are sharing their story, they are very inspiring, they are motivating you. They shared because they had been experienced. And that sometimes, yung experience na yan, nakarelate sa buhay natin. We have the same situation. Kahit saan ka man, magkaiba tayo. I guess, um, those OFWs who are working abroad, we have one reason why we work abroad. That is to support our family, right? Not only in your life, but your future family. So, hinahanap mo talaga kung ano yung maganda. And you need to have that good listener. Kasi ina-apply mo yung pagiging good listener mo, not only in your personal life, but professionally, di ba? Sa business, we have a training, we have um, a workshop. So those workshop or sometimes we got meetings. So in meetings you can hear so many ideas, so many maraming experience na-share nila dahil nangyayari sa kanila at nagwo-work sa kanila. Sometimes those things didn't work for them and not work for you. But you can analyze the situation na ay, why not to try, di ba? Kasi pag na-try mo, doon mo na ma-prove eh. Doon mo na ma-prove na if this is good for you or not for you. So, being a good listener is continuous because that is part of your learning process also, right? Dahil kung nakikinig ka lang, sabi na mga magulang dati, pag nakikinig ka lang, maganda yung kinabukasan mo. So, yun na yun. Dapat marunong talaga tayong makinig. Minsan nagpabingi-bingi ka dyan, pero kailangan mo talagang i-serve doon sa sarili mo. Di ba? I-depend mo talaga sa sitwasyon, kung anong sitwasyon mayroon ka. So, I guess, anything to add, Ten?
I just want to say or close this one or our life short with a note, or we have to take risk and we have to listen. If you win, you will be happy, and if you lose, you will be wise.
Yeah,
So it's just a win-win situation. You just need to balance the negative and the pros and cons of your decision, and listen to your God, pray to God.
yeah,
So that's the most important thing, and He will be guiding us.
yeah. That's true. Your faith is always there. That is the number one na lagi mong pakikinggan, yung faith.
Hmm.
So, today is Tuesday. So, if you are in the other side of the world, maybe it's afternoon or umaga sa inyo o sa iba naman ay gabi. So I guess I have one. Oh, I have my sister Merly from USA. Thank you for watching.
So thank you for watching us, Merly.
So uh, today we have a workshop. To those of you who are na nakikita yung aming live, we would love to invite you to watch our live webinar. Kasi sa live webinar na to, wala ka namang gagawin dyan, makinig ka lang. Kinig ka, kung naka-resonate ka doon sa mga story nila, pagkatapos niyan, mayroon kaming group sa Facebook. So, you are welcome to join kasi um, you don't need to pay anything. Just join there, and we would love to motivate you. And if you are looking for answers about how you can start an online business, also. So, if you think this is for you, then you can go ahead inside and join to our community. So, everyone is welcome. And thank you so much for our new followers who are following our pages. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So
Thank
that's all for me. And anything to add then?
No, we'll see you inside. We hope to see you. Just register on Michelle's website or on my website, register, and we will be walking you through. And by the way, the live webinar today, Tuesday, the 3rd or no, the 5th of March, is our coach Roxy. She's the host for today's webinar. So she's
Wow.
going to be live today, and that's going to be 2 a.m. here in Europe time.
So it will
But
be 8 a.m. in Philippines time.
yeah, 8 p.m. in the Philippines. So just watch us and feel free to ask us anything about the business, and we will be helping you and we will be answering all your inquiries.
By the way, for all Percy followers who can see this in her page, so just follow Percy and connect with Percy if you are asking some questions. I guess today she can't make it. She's a busy mom, so she worked a lot of hours while doing this business. So we are so proud also for her. So just connect with Percy or message Percy if you have some questions in her page. So that's all for today, everyone. And thank you so much for watching us and to stay with us. And we will see you in the next week if we can. Bye,
Yeah.
everyone.
Have a
Thank
wonderful
you.
day. Bye bye.